Threat Detection and Safety Services, or TDSS, is a newer company that we have recently developed because we saw the need for clients to have cameras monitored. You see cameras at car dealerships or in parking lots, but who's really monitoring those? Anybody? I don't know. Probably not. Well, if a camera is just monitoring something and if it's just watching, all it's doing is recording something that took place. It's not proactive. We want a proactive approach. Here at TDSS, one of the things that we do is we monitor your cameras for your company. It's real simple. We can adapt what you already have in place, attach it to our network, and now you can have your cameras monitored by a professional 24 hours a day. So when we see something that is unusual, we will immediately reach out to you, the client, or law enforcement when necessary. If there's a fire at your facility, we will contact and dispatch the fire department, law enforcement, and all those necessary. We have dedicated people that sit in an office 24 hours a day monitoring this equipment. We are monitoring cameras for many different types of companies, to include manufacturing locations, schools, government agencies, car dealerships, and even private residences. Now you have somebody that is here 24 hours a day to monitor those cameras and be there for you. We've all seen camera systems in the Walmart parking lot with the solar panels. Yes, you guessed it, we can do that as well. We have solar-powered camera systems that are self-contained that we can put on construction sites, schoolyards, or parking lots to safeguard your product, your family, your coworkers. These units can be placed or moved. They're monitored 24 hours a day right here at our personal monitoring center. That's what makes us different. We don't just sell you a piece of equipment and walk away. We're here to help.